Hello, you all little cuties. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am here continuing the Christmas series of drawing. So go and check out my other Christmas drawings as well. In today's video, we will learn to draw a cute penguin wearing ugly Christmas beanie and sweater. So let's get started with drawing the beanie first. Here I am drawing the beanie a little bit inverted. Now add a really cute pom-pom. We will also add some patterns on the beanie. Move on to the face now. Draw two oval eyes like this. Now draw the beak in between the two eyes. Keep the eyes unfinished as we are going to draw the scarf which is supposed to cover the eyes a little bit. Now we will draw two hands. Draw the cuff and then small triangular shaped hands on both sides. Finish the lower part of the sweater now. Now we will finish the lowermost part of the body, which will have two claws. We'll simply add some patterns on the beanie and sweater now. Today I am keeping it very simple by drawing some shapes only. You can add any pattern you want. If you are really finding this video very helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's the fun time now. I'm thinking to keep the color pattern simple yet gorgeous. The beanie and the sweater will be in red and white combination. Now color the body part of the penguin black except the beak and claws which will be orange. Adding some more colors to the patterns to make it more attractive. Our cute little penguin is ready now to celebrate Christmas.